friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS ProArt Z690 CREATOR Wi-Fi Motherboard. So friend, ASUS has announced the ProArt Z690 CREATOR Wi-Fi Motherboard, which is equipped with Thunderbolt 4 and friend, it is equipped with 200-volt 4-port H standard equipment for the domestic market and announced. And friend, the network is equipped with a 2.5 gigabit LAN chip from Intel, a Wi-Fi 6E wireless LAN plus Bluetooth 5.2 chip from the Marvell, and a 10 gigabit LAN chip from Marvell. And friend, additionally, it supports the newest PCI Express 5.0x16x2 and DDR5 6000x4 specification. And friend, the power supply is a 16 plus 1 phase design with a 70 ampere power stage. And friend, the storage is SATA 3.06 Gbps into 2 M.2 into 4 and expansion slot is PCI Express 5.0x16x2, PCI Express 3.0 into 4 into 16 form is installed. And friend, the audio circuit is 7.1 channel surrounded by sound by Realtek S1220 ampere, and it is feature unique features such as AI overclocking, AI cooling, and creation first and two-way AI noise cancellation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.